With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So guys, here in this question it is given that a point mass 1 kg collides elastically with a stationary point mass of 5 kgs. After their collision, the 1 kg mass will reverses its direction and moves with a speed of 2 meters per second. For the system of these two masses, kinetic energy of the center of the mass is. So this is the given question. So we have V value is equals to 2 meters per second. So I'm considering the U value as 3 meters per second. So which is not mentioned in the question. So that is why I'm taking it now. So according to this question, we have both the blocks 1 kg and 5 kg blocks. So before collision, this 1 kg block will try to move towards the 5 kg block and hit it and reverse its direction. So and moves back in the moves back in the reverse direction with the speed of 2 meters per second. So this is actually u. So I'm considering the u value as 3 meters per second after the collision. So according to the given figure, by conservation of linear momentum, u value will be equals to 5e minus 2. Let us suppose this as the equation number 1, and u is equals to, by Newton's experimental law of collision, u will be equals to v plus 2. Okay, so we have the v value as 2 meters per second. So as usual, u value will become 3 meters per second only. So by using both the equation 1 and 2, v value will be equals to 2 meters per second and value of the u will be equals to 3 meters per second. The kinetic energy of the center of mass will be kinetic energy equals to half into mass of the system into v cm square. So here cm is the center of mass. Okay, so we will be getting the value 0.75 joules as a system kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy of the center of mass. So according to this, we have the option C as 0.75 joules. So which is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.